We've been a Marcus Evans customer for several years now. For the amount of money and the effort we spent on this summit, could we have that many one-on-one meetings with that many different customers at that same price point? And the answer is no. I cannot generate these meetings as cost effectively as I can at this summit, regardless of what comes out of the summit. Couldn't even have the experience for the same price point.
Capacity due to the fact that you have multiple sponsors to bring customers that we may not be able to attract just by Schneider Electric.
It would be very, very difficult for us to speak with as many senior operational leaders in the food and beverage industry in such a short space of time using any other vehicle than a Marcus Evans Summit.
It's connecting to somebody at the corporate level. The higher you go in the hierarchy, the longer it takes, and obviously the higher, the cost per lead also is high. And the math works out for us.
Typically, we're director, vice president, senior vice president level, so their knowledge of the industry, the issues that the industry is facing, what their companies are doing, and the span of their influence and the span of their control within the organizations made a great match for us.
The capacity to reach customers and to get faster, to reach the right level. So I would say end-to-end, a significant investment, but a good investment.
Really allow us as a provider to position ourselves as thought leaders in the industry.